Ingredients for preparing yellow curd: medium onion 1, 2 pint of yellow curd, 3 grains are sauteed, 4 tablespoons of paste, salt and pepper as much as you like. We put the pot on the gas stove and pour some oil in it and wait for it to fry a little. Then we put the grated onion in it and wait for it to fry a little. Then add garlic to it and mix it. Then add the paste to it and mix it. Then add salt and pepper to it in the desired amount and mix it. And finally, the original ingredients, which are the same. We add local yellow curd to them and stir. And as you can see, our mixture become a little dry. And at this time we add water to the amount you need. And now we have to mix them with a spoon so that our ingredients do not stick to each other. It is ready, and we put it in a bowl and add some grated hot pepper to it and toss it next to vegetable and hot dishes. You can chop the bread and put it in them and then eat it. This food uses yellow curds and is made from local sheep. It has very good calcium and is very suitable for osteoporosis in adults and children. As you can see, it is made with tools that can be found is every home.